Filipino style opener.
Wow. Red na red talaga dito sa cellphone ko. Iba kulay.
Specialty ko to. Meatloaf. I will teach you the medium rare. Medium rare meatloaf steak.
Wow.
This is best in
Protein.
India.
India.
I was imported to Iraq. I'm gonna cook this. Well, this is my first time to cook Argentina tocino again because I was imported in Iraq. So I use Iraq tocino. Here we have some Barney egg. Barney egg. Itlog ni Barney. Barney soup. Yeah. Now, we will pour this. Maybe this is enough. Yeah. Enough. There. Ba't biglang lumiit si Tocino? Ang galing.
Lilitaw at lilitaw yan.
Ba't hindi lumilitaw? Palitaw na.
Palitaw.
Samalin, samalin.
Ooh.
Perfect. Well, I will teach you how to slice meatloaf. The perfect slice for meatloaf is this. Voila. Cuisine. You can see it is very perfect.
One last cut.
Perfect.
Beautiful. Perfect.
Now we will crack this egg, the Barney egg. Because we boiled the red egg because we want to see the oily inner core.
Yes, yes, yes.
We will use our magic.
Oh.
Wow. Malapit nang masira. But we will use this because it is good.
Yes.
Roy! No wasted in this video. Ha? Ha? March. March. Ha? March 10 mo. March 10. So, nararamdaman ko na ang perfect.
Oh. Oh.
Well, usually in the Philippines, this is called itlog maalat.
Yes.
But I bought itlog na matabang.
Itlog matabang.
Itlog na matabang.
Ito na, bumalik na siya.
This is our co-worker,
Yes, yes, yes.
BJ Salaman. Bakit? Now,
Di ba ang narege?
itlog ni Barney yan.
Yeah.
Itlog ni
Not
Barney.
red egg.
Hindi red egg. Itlog ni Barney. Now we will wash our tomato. This tomato is freshly picked in the branch of the tomato.
Yup.
Ito yan. The bread of tomato. Lalaki naman ang slice. Ang sagilan tayo.
Kahit pa sa'yo yung lahat na yan.
Dito, dito. Yeah,
Wow.
Para healthy.
Yes.
not healthy.
Huwag mo hawakan kasi kung ano-ano yung hawakan mo.
Wala na.
Nagugas ako.
Nagugas ako.
Ikaw, hindi. Oh, I know that, bro. What are you doing to the... Superman.
Wow.
Wowie.
Hello.
Ito guys, yung bakla na co-worker.
Charming. I'm gonna eat you, bro.
Amoy gay-gaman.
Ah.
Salamin! 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 Wow! Bakla. Shit, sino yung manok nagsabi ng bakla?
You're right. You're right.
Huh? Ay.
May katkan ito eh. Doon na kayo dyan.
And the video ends.